Vision, a vibrant and nurturing polytechnic service college for transforming lives and communities. Mission, to improve the life of people and communities through quality instruction, innovation, productivity, initiative, environment, and industry-feasible technologies, resource mobilization, and transformational outreach program and service. BSIT Goal. The program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well-versed in application, installation, maintenance and operation, development and administration. It also engages them in lifelong learning and diverse contribution to research, extension and resource generation in the field of information technology. BSIT objectives: to practice in advanced human resource in the field of information technology, especially in the development, installation, maintenance, operation, and management of information technology. To develop students with critical thinking through research and extension activities. To strengthen values which is desirable in information technology profession and the common good. ISPSC. Dreams and visions within the minds of the nobles, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honor, molded pride with society. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, built close to every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding stars of searching soul. You're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Your request to provide us with enlightened minds to promise competently in our endeavors, enabling us to share wherever we are toward greater heights. We go forth and serve God and fellow men, for reaching we will shine. For singing victorious praises, Ilocos Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live ISPSC.